Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I hope I'm visible properly, but I'm feeling good sitting here because I'm a little sick. So, I'm feeling good sitting in the sun, and um, I just don't want to stand and talk. I'm feeling good here, so I hope it's okay. So, in this video, I want to just talk about a beautiful lesson that I learned from Bhagavad Gita, and when I applied it in my life, it was so good. It worked for me, and also I did a mistake for which I'm sick. So I want to talk about these two things. So firstly, I'll say what happened. So from last year October, I didn't had any income source. There was like uh, little income that I earned in these 3 months, October, November, December. Like my earning source is basically crochet custom orders. I get custom orders for my crochet, and I do promos and collabs from my Insta, and I earned like that. So what happened was, for 3 months I hardly had any income. It was so little, and it was not even equal to my 1 month spending, how much I need to spend, the basic things that I need to spend in a month. So I was obviously stressed out, like what will happen, why I'm not getting anything. But I also learned from the Bhagavad Gita, because I was also reading Bhagavad Gita last year. I read a few chapters, not the whole book, but I also learned in there that when you do something, just don't go for the results, just do your duty. So I was, doing those form fills and all for the collabs and promotions and all, for which I have to do. And I was creating contents for my Insta account so that I'll get custom orders and all. But I was not like so much attached to the results that I need to get it. I was just like, it will happen, surrender. And I was like, God will bring those opportunities to me in the right time. Maybe God just wants me to relax now. This is something that I said. And there was this stress that what will happen if, because I was spending my savings from that and at that time. And I was also worried that if my savings will finish, what will happen after that. This thought was also there. But I don't know, somehow something also whispered in my inside me, like, just relax, God is there, God will work everything for you. You just have this time, crochet something for yourself, do what you love. And in those 3 months I did gardening, something that I didn't did for 2 years. For 2 years I was not doing gardening because I was busy in these works and everything. After 2 years, gardening is also one of my hobby. I love it so much. After 2 years I did gardening, flower gardening. I love flowers a lot. I did flower gardening again, and I felt so good. I felt so good. I felt like I went back to home, something that is mine. When I was touching the mud and all, I was feeling so good. This is really, I felt so relaxed at that time. I did gardening, and I crocheted clothes for myself. I really crocheted so many clothes for myself. I started reading the Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, everything, and I was feeling so good. And I felt like this time was just for me to relax. And I knew that when time will come, God will give me the opportunities. And when 2026 started, it was in the first week of 2026, I got a call. I was busy in crocheting, and I got a call, and I'm like, you need to do this work, and you will get payment of this. And it was a very good payment, and I got shocked. I was like, what? I'll get this much? Then it's like, yes, and you just need to do this thing for now. You just need to confirm. And I'm like, okay, okay. They gave some things, to confirm it in WhatsApp. And I looked at it, and I just confirmed it, and I got that work. And I'm like, wow, this is what I was, this is what my voice was saying me. Just surrender. Just don't look for the result. Everything will happen in the good time and in the divine time. And now, to be honest, today is 26th January. I'm filming this, and in these days in January 2026, I earned that much, that I saved again a very good amount in my savings bank, where I keep my savings, and I also have extra from where I do my spendings and all. So it was so good. I got so many opportunities. I got 2 3 custom orders. I didn't got so many custom orders, like four custom orders. And it was like good custom order by 4 people, and I'm doing that now. And I took it all, and I took all the promos, all the things that were getting. I was like, God is giving me this, I have to accept it. God is giving me this, I have to accept it. Every day I'm getting something to do, like a product promotion or any like things, and I took it all, and because I took it all, I stressed myself, I stressed my body, and I got sick. And yesterday I was very, very, very sick. And then I understood the mistake, that because everything was coming so slowly, I know I surrendered to God. That was very, I'm very proud, like you can say I'm proud of myself. uh, i I didn't stress so much when I was not getting these opportunities, but also the mistake that I did was when I was getting all these opportunities, I was trying to grab it all. Uh, to be honest, I felt like this was gifted to me, but this is God gifted. I have to accept it all. I surrendered to God, and now God is giving me. I cannot refuse it. So this was in my mind. That was the mistake, and I took it all, and I stressed myself, and that's why now I'm like, okay, I need to relax. Um, I can now choose which one will be good for me, which one will be bad for me, and I can take which one I know I can do it, and I'll not stress my body, stress myself, my body so much for it. Because when you do crochet and all, also you need to really stress your eyes also a lot. It really, it's really little tiring. So I'm like, okay, now I will relax a little. It's not now I will relax like I relaxed that time. I'll take these walks, but I'll only take how much I can handle, I know my body can handle. So that was the mistake I did, for which I got sick yesterday. The whole day I took rest, and this now I'm like, okay, let me take rest for some time. I'll just do little work. I know I'm saying the same thing again and again, so that I want to, explain to you. So one more thing I want to say, that before, if I would have got sick, I would have really scolded myself. I would have bashed myself like, Nivedita, who told you to take so much walk? Now you look at yourself. You are sick. You are on the bed. You are not able to breathe yourself, breathe properly. I would have said that. Like 3 years ago, I would have said that. But do you know what I said yesterday to myself? I said, Nivedita, it's okay. You thought these opportunities are gifted to you by God, and that's the reason you took it all. And it's okay if you were sick now. You can relax now. You understood that you have to choose properly. You have to choose what's good for you, how much your body can take. And when I was saying these things to myself, I felt so good. Like, this is the growth that happened in me. This is something that happened in me, and I'm so proud of it, that I have grown this much. It feels so good, when you think that, when you notice that you react in a different way now. You don't react actually, you respond in a different way. You talk to yourself in a different way now. It feels so good. And this is what this journey leads you to. I'm so grateful of this journey. Really, yesterday I was so grateful of this journey. Every day I feel like I'm growing more and more. And so from this video, this story of mine, I just want you to say that if you feel like nothing is working out for you, just surrender to God. Do your duty. Don't look for the results. Just do your duty, and everything will happen in such a beautiful way, in a divine timing. And if you get so much walks, don't stress yourself out like I did. Opportunities will come. I'm like, now opportunities are gonna come. It will never miss me. Those opportunities that are for me will never miss me. So I don't have to grab it all, just because, I also felt like if I don't take it all, maybe I'll not get more. uh this is not something, this is the mistake that I did. You don't have to take it all and stress yourself. You can choose whichever you like, how much your body can take. That's all what I wanted to say. So I hope you understood what I wanted to explain to you. That's all. And yeah, bye bye.